Up next, we've got Nijansh Verma. Where is he? Okay, cool. And we're going to be learning about OpenGig, really around developer productivity, driving things like automating deployment, test cases, and he's going to do a better job at explaining this than I will. So give it up for Nijansh.
So, hi everyone, this is Nijansh from OpenGig. And we, like everyone else here, are defining the future of software, but we are taking a different take on it. So, as you all know, writing code is incredibly hard, especially quality production level code. We have a lot of tools coming in, but one of the core reasons why it's hard is a lot of time is spent in planning, scoping, prioritization, and you end up spending a lot of time in meetings and coordination before you hit the first line of code. Right. What we are doing at OpenGig is building an entire suite of agents which can help you take control of the entire software lifecycle. So I want to read a few agents we have built. First is a PM agent. PM agent basically joins your meetings, transcripts, records, but most importantly, it understands. If you say something like a customer got churned because of a bug on your landing page, it automatically gives it higher priority and creates an entire sprint plan for you with all features right in front of you, with acceptance criteria, how the feature should look like, what's the priority, who it is assigned to, and everything. It creates an entire sprint plan which is ready to execute right from the meeting itself. So you don't have to spend time on it. But here comes the best part. This sprint plan goes to our next agent, Helix, which is a coding agent. We built this on top of open source, where it takes all these stories which you have and starts writing code on that. Now, what makes this particularly special is not the kind of code it writes, but the kind of context it takes. It basically thinks, plans, and reasons everything out based on the software level context. Not file level context, not repo level, but entire software takes context from your meeting notes, your Figma files, your sprint plan, everything, and then plans your code. So you get a much higher accuracy in your code, and you get software which is much better in quality. We add layers of context on top of it. We have a project wiki, a bug tracker, a backlog tool to give you context. And the idea is to build a full stack orchestra of agents, a design agent, a coding agent, DevOps, compliance, everything housed in one particular orchestration layer. And this is for a future which we are imagining where you won't specialize as a front-end engineer, a back-end engineer, or anything else. From 2 to 3 years from now, we'll see full-stack developers who will manage these ensemble of agents to build production-level quality 10x faster. And that's for the future we are building this platform for. That's what we are building at OpenGig. Happy to connect, give you a demo. We are building a lot of different other agents also. We have a testing agent, which is in the works. We have a design agent, which is we are building. So yeah, happy to connect and explain more on what the kind of future we are imagining. And I think I finished before time, so happy to take a question or something.